Hello, my name is Ian McKeown. Purpose of today's video demonstration is to simulate in TinkerCad a color sorting machine in operation using the Arduino Uno to control the process. We're going to talk through some of the hardware that we've used. We're going to look at the software that we have generated to control the operation, and then we're going to see the operation and process. To talk through some of the hardware that we have used, I mentioned that we are using the Arduino Uno to control this process. We are using a breadboard here to mount the components that we are using. In essence, what we have here is two circuits, circuit 1 and circuit 2. We are using push buttons to simulate the TCS 3200 RGB sensors that we would have used on our main project. On circuit 1, the push button will be pressed to simulate the detection of a red skittle, and this will drive servo motor 1. On circuit number 2, PB2 will be pressed to simulate a green skittle being detected by TCS 3200 RGB sensor, which will drive servo motor number 2. Also on this breadboard, we can see that we have mounted 10k resistors in series with the components to ensure that they don't burn out during the process. To talk about the wiring, we have 5-volt power supply from the Arduino Uno bridged over to the Arduino board, here simulated in the red and black wiring colors. To explain a little bit more about the colored wires that we see here, from pin 2 we have an orange wire to push button 1. We have a pink wire from pin 3 to push button 2. We have control wire from pin 5 to servo motor number 1. Another control wire from pin 6 to servo motor number 2. A blue wire from pin 8 to LED 2. And a yellow wire from pin 13 to LED 1. To talk through the code that we have generated to drive this process. So in essence, pin 2 is being utilized as an input from push button 1. Pin number 13 will be used as an output to drive the LED associated with this circuit. And also pin number 5 will be used as an output to drive servo motor number 1. Pin number 3 on circuit 2 is being utilized as an input to drive an output on pin number 8, which is the green LED, and pin number 6, which is an output on servo motor number 2. So when on push button 1, which is here, push button 1 is pressed, it will turn pin 2 high. When pin 2 is high, pin number 13 will be high, and the light will come on. In addition to that, as we can see here, when pin 2 is high, pin 5 will also be high. This sends a signal to the servo motor and tells the servo motor to spin through 180 degrees while that push button is pressed. on push button number 2, same thing. When the push button is pressed, a green colour is detected. This sends pin 3 high. Then the output on pin number 8 is high to give us a light on LED number 2. This then sends servo motor 2 high from pin number 6 and spins that servo motor through 90 degrees. So let's have a look at that in operation. Press PB1, we see that we get a light on LED 1 and servo motor number 1 spins through 180 degrees. Similarly, when we push PB2, we get a green light on LED 2 and servo motor 2 spins through 90 degrees. So that ends the demonstration. Thanks for watching.